Professional aluminum processing services, covering the whole process of cutting, bending, stamping, welding, etc. Support customized size and accuracy requirements. High-purity aluminum lorry. Materials are selected, and production links are strictly controlled to ensure high flatness, strong corrosion resistancy and salical. Properties of products. One used in the fields of automobiles, electronics, construction, new energy, etc. It can respond to the demand of orders efficiently, ensure the delivery of quality in time, help enterprises reduce costs and increase efficiency, and build a new ecology of industrial upgrading.